All right, so here I just open the Microsoft Copilot, which is actually free in the Bing. If you use the Bing search engine, there you can use Copilot free of cost. So what I tried here, a very cool feature here, like for example, if you go to select some of this initial, if you go to the Microsoft Copilot front page. So I'm just clicking on, for example, the bing.com, and I'm just simply clicking this Bing, and then I'm just going back to this Copilot icon. And now here you can see this here we have a couple of different options here. So what I click, I just found something this interesting about this translate into Gen Z. So I just select this, and then this appears here in my prompt here. So it says translate into Gen Z slang. So I can ask whatever I want. So like for example, I don't know, just give me a bottle of water, please. And I press enter, and it takes like a couple of seconds, and then it just applies like, yo, can I snag a bottle of water real quick? Or yo, toss me a bottle of water, please. Or even need me that I H2O as have farm. I don't know what kind of, this is like very funny. Sounds funny to me, yeah, but it's like how the Gen Z slang is actually is, yeah. So this is actually, this just want to show you the how to use the Copilot in the Bing, which is free of cost. If you don't want to pay for the Microsoft 365 Plus, you can use Copilot from the Bing search engine. Thanks for watching.